What's going on, guys? Chad here. Just wanted to give a quick update. This is the pond that's going to have the overflow for the cisterns, the excess drain water from around the house. Everything is going to get thrown into this pit here. We dug this to pound tires for the airship and to mount it up. And then we got this going on. I insulated this drain tile. We got this running all the way into the woods. I got it insulated so that it doesn't freeze in the winter. I'm gonna close this back up. These are the insulation pieces that I was talking about. You know, if you ever have garbage, there's always something that you can use or do with it. So as we're walking around, this stuff I would hope never freezes. And then this is just a straight up drain tile with no perforation. And as we get closer to where everything meets, this is where it starts to get perforated again with slots, and there's a sleeve with a sock around it. And there is drain tile around the whole earthship, and then it tees in right here where everything meets. And I put some bottles, and these bottles I've been saving for since 2007, maybe 2005, probably 2007. So I have just all these plastic bottles that I've had for years and years, and this is going to fill the void, basically act as which would normally be like river rock, which is nice because you can actually, this stuff is light and you can get it transported pretty easily without a machine. So I'm going to fill that sucker in, and this will be the overflow for the cistern right there. It'll come in. I might put some holding tanks over here and then overflow back into there just to have extra water. Not sure yet, but that's it. This is how we dug this French drain, using garbage instead of rocks.